Okay, so this is where the story starts. So that bicycle, we need a new chain. I was told to check Ace for a bike chain, but with bikes you need special tools because it goes through the actual frame and chainsaw, more chainsaw, saw chain, neck. Another rainy day out here, looking for the bike shop. Okay, so we went to the bike shop. They said that they do chains, bike chains. They specialize in bikes, and I'm gonna take this bike to them to hopefully be able to fix it. And we're gonna see what they can do. Not getting a new bike, just trying to fix this one. This whole thing shot, but I was thinking of getting a smaller chain to make it tight and maybe it won't fall off. Maybe. I don't know the reality of that. Okay, so the plan, maybe fix it the original way. That's how it's made. Make things less complicated. Fix it the right way. They might have the actual like wheel system on hand, which would be nice, and get it fixed the right way. Okay, so what we got going now right now on this bike I found is we're gonna replace this part with a new system, brand new system. This monster right here, make it look pretty again. And this chain was busted. There's a link busted. So what we're gonna do now with that is we're going to we're gonna put this in place of it. Just like that. See that? It's now linked and it's all fixed with a linkable chain, right? Now the chain's fixed. So what we gotta do next is probably take this apart. Okay, what we got going on here is that's gonna check that off so that it can actually fit on here. And I believe that's on, or it's not. I'm putting this on. So how this works is goes like this. That goes in there. said that she was kind of ugly. Okay, so after further adjustments, we got this added, and how this works is that it goes in so that it hugs. It's got to hug this gear, so it's got to go on the opposite side, because if it went on this side, it wouldn't really hug it very good. So if it goes on this side, so it hugs it, goes back, crosses it, and out and around this one, and it goes around. But these don't automatically adjust right now, is the problem. So I gotta manually adjust them. But it's at a setting where it will work really well when I ride it. So when I ride it, it feels pretty good. I mean, it's a good bike. I like how it looks. It's a pretty cool looking bike. It works pretty good. You know, not maybe the one that I bought in the store and is brand new, but it's certainly the one that works. I found it abandoned. So it's working. It's in good condition, better shape than it was, and yeah.